Hey, welcome to Insider Tips. In today's tip, I'm going to share the framework for your hospitality property's daily operating procedure. The outline of what to include, customer service procedures, customer service viewpoint, service procedures, merchandise procedures if you have merchandise, meal preparation procedures, transacting sales, gift certificates, inventory management, operational and financial reporting, loss prevention techniques, required cleaning and maintenance, safety procedures, sales procedures, marketing, how will you get the message out, community involvement, management documents. Many factors will impact your success, such as property design, marketing, and people skills, to name a few. But the core of your business will always lie within the operating procedure. For members of the Hospitality Property School Group, I go into more detail with this list. Well, that's it for today's tip. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any tips, and make sure, if you haven't done so yet, to join one of the groups, the one that best serves your needs. To subscribe, visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/sign up for Insider Tips, and to find your best group, visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/private-groups. Until next time, have a fun day.